IT band foam rolling, all right? This one's probably gonna be the worst one. This one's probably gonna hurt. So be very careful when you do this, but if you find a tender spot, spend some time there, okay? So your IT band, guys, runs essentially from your hip all the way down into your knee, all right? So there's gonna be some spots that are gonna be a little bit tender, and I'll tell you exactly how to navigate that. So ideally, this is kind of the setup that you'd want to start with. So the leg that I'm foam rolling is straight out, my right leg is crossed over, okay? So you're starting at the bottom of the IT band essentially right before you go onto the knee, and then you're rolling, moving your body and your leg all the way until you get to the hip. You don't have to go right onto the hip, just before, and pulling yourself through. And don't be afraid to kind of rotate your body a little bit to the inside and to the outside. Once you find a tender spot, you're like, oh God. Hold that spot. Side to side 5 times, front to back 5 times, circles clockwise 5 times, counterclockwise 5 times. Release that, and then slowly roll yourself out of it, controlling your breathing for 15 to 30 seconds. If there's a couple of tender spots, spend a little bit more time there. Your muscles will thank you for it.